Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be teaching you a pranayama technique called Kapalabhati, which literally means shining the skull. In pranayama, we regulate the breath in order to bring a good energy flow through the body and the mind. It can lead us to have a more easeful and full breath and clarity in the mind. So it's a great practice to do a little bit every day. This particular technique is a fiery breath. It's heating to the body and the mind, and it's rhythmic. So what we do in this technique is we use the lower stomach muscles to pump out a quick, forceful exhalation, which then energetically goes up through the central channel of the subtle body called the sushumna and purifies the energy in the skull, shining the skull. The inhale is totally spontaneous and natural. You don't have to think about it. It will happen by itself. So the exhale is the intentional part, and we use just those lower stomach muscles, trying to stay relaxed in the upper body, the shoulders and chest, and especially in your neck and your jaw and your face. So to start out, just take a nice tall posture and close your eyes and feel your normal breath. Usually when we exhale, all we have to do is release the breath, and the elasticity of the ribs and the lungs push the air out. But in Kapalabhati, we're adding to that this forceful movement in a rhythm with those lower stomach muscles. So let's practice just squeezing those lower stomach muscles in towards the spine. So you contract them and they move back towards your spine. You can touch your belly if you want to feel that happening. And then begin to do that with an exhalation through your nose. So I call that a puff. Now you might have noticed that you will be breathing through your nose in a way that might require you to clear your nose with a tissue. So you can do that now if you wish. I'm going to do it as well. And again, we start by sitting tall and remembering to relax the upper chest, neck, and face as we do these rhythmic exhalations. So we'll do about 10 to 20 puffs, and then we'll take a few normal breaths in between, and that constitutes a round, and we'll do 3 rounds altogether. So when you're ready, take an inhalation and begin. And then take some normal breaths while I say a few more things. If you find yourself squeezing your nose or your throat, which would make a wheezing sound, or if you just become agitated and the breath is kind of confused, just stop and take a break. Take a few normal breaths and then begin again. So let's do our second round. Sitting tall, take an inhalation, and here we go. And take some normal breaths to make space in between the rounds and just feel the effects in your mind, in your body. See what you feel. And now we'll do it a third time. Take an inhalation and begin. And then rest as you take some normal breaths and feel the effect. You might feel the effect anywhere in your upper body, possibly in your head. If it makes you feel a little lightheaded, that's natural in the beginning. You can just open your eyes and look across the room and your body will recover. So I recommend that you practice this every day on an empty stomach. You can do as many rounds as you feel comfortable doing, and it's especially nice to do before you meditate. So thanks for joining me. Feel free to leave a comment below or a question. Bye.